San Diego looks calm, sunshine, palm trees, ocean air. Under the surface, your house is getting smarter. Quietly. Relentlessly. AI is moving in. Your thermostat already shifts schedules to dodge high rates. 4 to 9 p.m. is the new expensive window in San Diego. Algorithms pre-cool your rooms, then coast through peak. Save comfort, not just cents. Your battery may soon join a neighborhood power team. Virtual power plants pay homes to support the grid. Solar alone isn't the play anymore. Storage is the multiplier. Export less, keep more, time it right. Solar rules changed in California. The solar billing plan favors smart batteries and timing. It's ushering in a storage boom, not a solar bust. Winners think in kilowatts and in when, not just how much. Property managers are upgrading too. Leak sensors text you before drywall swells. Valves close automatically while you're still on the freeway. Mold never gets its chance. San Diego's water agencies now rebate smart monitors. Install once, watch real-time use on your phone. Catch pinhole leaks at 2 a.m., not 20,000 later. Small device, big insurance headache avoided. The city is rolling out smart water meters. Usage will ping the network in near real time. Expect faster leak alerts, fewer driveway mysteries. Data replaces doubt. Insurance is changing the rules mid-game. Carriers analyze roof age from the sky. Tree overhang, roof wear, even debris flagged by AI. Good roofs stay insurable. Bad ones get surcharged. Drones are rewriting inspections. No ladders, no wishful thinking. High-res imagery plus AI finds hairline damage you'd miss. Fewer arguments, faster claims, clearer bids. California balcony laws are forcing action. Multifamily and condo decks must be inspected on schedule. Expect more drone imagery, moisture scans, targeted openings. Data-driven safety beats paint-over problems. Construction sites are going vision first. 360-D reality capture maps every room, every week. AI tracks progress and mistakes before they snowball. Less rework, more predictable finish lines. Design is getting predictive, not reactive. Early-stage models simulate sun, wind, and noise. AI suggests layouts that run cooler and brighter. Better comfort, lower bills, smarter plans. Permitting will feel different next. AI pre-checks plans for code conflicts. Clean submittals move faster, sloppy ones don't. Time saved equals money not burned. Inside the walls, sensors watch quietly. Moisture, temperature, pressure, patterns tell the truth. Abnormal becomes alert, alert becomes action. Disaster becomes, we fixed it yesterday. Your next HVAC might be a heat pump. It cools, heats and pairs well with batteries. Smart controls chase off-peak rates automatically. Comfort isn't a gamble anymore. Irrigation's getting an upgrade too. Weather-based controllers trim water without guesswork. AI waters when plants need it, not when timers say so. Green lawns, lean bills. This isn't hype, it's the quiet rewrite of home ownership. Homes that see, think, and act before you do. Less damage, lower bills, better insurance outcomes. And a higher bar for well-maintained. So is your home next? Very likely. Because the real risk now is waiting. Let the little problems stay little. Here's how we approach it. We scan roofs with drones and AI before trouble starts. We spec leak sensors where they actually matter. We sequence electrification for rates, comfort, and readiness. We tie it all to rebates, not just good intentions. San Diego's silent AI surge doesn't shout. It whispers with data, then proves it on your bill. Ready to make your place future-proof without the drama. Let's build the smarter version of your home. Follow All World Construction for no BS updates. We're contractors who use the tech and aren't afraid to get dirty. San Diego's homes are evolving. Don't let yours fall behind.